Okay, now we go.
It's a racetrack.
Yeah, gonna.
Not as fast as you can.
No, I'm so tired now.
Then drink of water. Get right here.
Okay, we go now.
Okay, I'll give you a 15-second head start.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ug karon guys, magbike ta kay exercise gamay. Ug ako ra ibutang ang GoPro sa mount para di ta maglisod magbike. Okay. Okay. Daghag lamok man dai diri eh. I get a rock.
What?
I find a small rock in here.
What? One of the other rocks?
I get this for here. For circuit my GoPro.
Look at that. Forest. I love the forest. It's my favorite forest. Give you a 20-second head start. Think I can beat you? Oh, we can have this one instead.
No, we're gonna.
I like this one better.
Don't do that so that you not make one.
Look at the forest.
Yeah, we're
Oh,
gonna.
this is where I dropped my bike. See, look.
Yeah. Here we go.
Oh, I got another one.
Okay, let's go. Sabi ni mosquito.
When I say stop, stop. You don't want to go look.
Okay.
Look at
Here's our J. Wow, look at that. Nice.
that. Can you do one thing?
It's long time we've been here, RJ.
Can you do one thing?
What?
Can you do one thing?
No.
Why not?
No, I cannot balance it. Only one
Can you
hand.
do no-handed? Easy. See?
Cannot do that.
See?
No, do that. You not want to cross to go to the weeds, RJ.
I love the weeds. Faster than you.
Ano? Ano, RJ? Careful.
Stop.
What you doing?
I need to go down there.
Here's RJ. Okay, go.
What do you do?
Okay, go. So bright. It's so hot. Yeah, see that. You cannot go. Okay.
Five, 4, 3, 2.
Slowly, RJ. Look like you a racer. Oh, see. Okay, go get.
Head start.
Yeah. So many bike path dari mga higala. Stop, RJ, we're taking picture. Stop, RJ. You take picture? What you doing? You taking picture? You taking picture? You know? Oh, it's dark now when you come back.
Yeah.
Have no more sun. No sky. Look at that, they put a choke.
He's gonna
Oh
win.
no! Oh no,
Oh,
Arjun!
Jesus, crush it.
Yeah, good.
He's gonna have to do a pass.
Have so many mosquito. Small mosquito. It's biting me. No, come here. Mini mosquito, RJ. What's this? So many small small insect, RJ. Have now that. Here go. Here. Ooh. Wait.
What?
Okay, start. Head start.
What's those dots?
Hey, come here.
Oh, no, sorry. Now she wants to say hi to you.
It's okay.
Oh, now, stop it. Sorry, she never usually
It's
says
okay.
anything.
No problem. You too. What?
Stop, stop.
Wait. What?
Let's go.
Huh?
We have dragons. Ready?
Okay.
This is your bike. I'll give you 3 seconds. Ready? 3.
Come here now. I want to look the good rock here, RJ. I want to look at the good rock, RJ. Ooh. Okay.
Take the fields. Dragons, go ready. Rock versus rope. Ready? Go.
It's dark now here.
Who's gonna win?
Be careful.
Okay, take the lead. Can mommy take the lead back?
No.
Mommy takes the lead.
Have so many small like fly. Slowly. He's so fast. Careful. You not want to run your tire.
RJ blows the tire out.
Yeah, here now the smiths. Ito mig smith mga higala kay palit mig gamay. Grocery. Whew. Look at that color on the tree, is nice, RJ. We go more there, RJ. RJ, we pass to the Smith, RJ. We pass in Smith. Pass to Smith, RJ. We go past. We go in there. That have tree. Oh, what you do? Stop, Angie. Don't be crazy there. No, we go more there. So that we exercise more.
All the way down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Go to the tree. Yeah. Okay. There's the Smith's Market. Hoy, were you there? I'm here. Okay, go. Oh, not yet. Okay, go.
Faster.
Oh, look at that. Huh? Yeah. Here's RJ. I beat you, RJ. I beat you. Yeah. I beat you. Yeah. Oh, be careful.
Who's gonna win it now? Oh, I know there goes the car.
Careful. Look at this nice tree here, RJ.
Going all the way to the end?
Yeah.
But you said all the way to the tree.
Yeah, that's the tree there. All the way. Oh, look at that. RJ, your shoes. Don't do that. Ruin your shoes. Wow, so nice here. It's super hot because it's so shady here.
Understand?
What?
Who's gonna win?
Mommy.
Who's faster?
Mommy. Look at this.
Going back.
Autumn. It's autumn now. Look at that.
No, it's fall.
Fall. Oh, yeah. It's not autumn. I think it's autumn and fall is the same, RJ.
No, they're different. Autumn. Is
Autumn.
The start.
It's a fall.
The first day. Autumn is the first day of October, the first day of fall, and the last day of fall. So autumn says, Mommy,
Yeah.
I'm gonna beat you. Using
Careful.
My feet. Think I can beat you using my feet?
Until they're in the end of the tree.
Using my feet? Think I beat you?
Don't
using
do
my
that,
feet?
RJ. You out of balance.
I'll beat you. But I'm not beating you.
Wait, go in the right side. A bike. RJ. Don't do that.
Wait, stop.
It's so nice here. Okay, come here. What? Don't do that. It's not good for you, right?
I need to take off my shoe. I'm gonna bike without my shoe.
Stop, RJ. Always doing that. Don't do that. We're gonna. I don't like that. Yeah, we look at the tree colors here. So nice colors, have flowers.
Who's gonna win it?
Mom,
Go fast. Ready, stop? Look, the monkey. Oh, no, go. Yeah, ready, stop.
ooh,
Keep going. Go all the way down. Yeah?
Cannot go there so far away.
Who said? What is the end of the trees?
There, the end.
The end of the ocean.
The end of the road.
You didn't see that.
Oh, look at the tree.
You
Not
said
see
the end
that?
of that tree all the way down.
A mini tree.
Are we gonna keep going?
Want to keep going there?
One?
Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
I'll keep going.
Yeah.
Two more.
Ooh,
The Rio Grande.
have no more. Oh, good there, RJ. Boat on RJ. With hubcore.
So good.
Ooh. Okay, go.
What is that?
Not stop. Oh, what you do? Hey, come here now. Here. Hey, come here. We not bike here. We not bike here, RJ. So we explore in here, RJ. We explore here because we not been here.
What's that?
We explore, RJ.
He's gonna win it. He's gonna be mine. But now just crashes into
You stop doing that. Careful.
It's a lot. Faster than you.
Why use your bike, RJ? What you do your bike? Why you so fast? Yeah. I don't do that. You ruin your shoe.
You wanna know what I did?
What?
Wanna know what I did? That's so fast.
Why you do that? Why you so fast? Don't do that. Okay, we go more there.
That's the final one.
Yeah.
I go so fast because they're so slow. I go
Oh,
so fast because I pushed the limit.
here,
of the
not
bike.
so many
I'm
bugs
I'm on
in here.
gear 8. I'm on gear 5. What?
Okay, we go now.
It says press to turn off warning lights. Where are the lights?
Okay, let's go.
Everyone?
Go more in
The
there.
final one?
Yeah. Okay, go fast. I go here. Woo. What? What you do? Hey, bite me. Come here. Mosquito bite me. You bite me.
I beat you.
Okay, I beat you too.
I know one so fast. Alright, this is slow as I can.
You cheating? You change your... You cheating,
you are?
Abby.
What gear are you on?
6, then 2.
6-2?
Yeah.
Okay, I go on 6.
It's funny. It's so quick.